Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Master Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about set operation and function in Python. A set in Python is an unsorted or unordered collection of unique elements. Set are written using curly braces. Let us assume that S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 within a curly brace. Creating a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 within a curly brace. B set of curly brace with a square bracket 3, 4, 5, 6. Print A and print B. Let's see the output. One, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one is a print A 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one is a print B 3, 4, 5, 6. Set operations. Assume the Python set A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 3, 4, 5, 6. Set elements. Union operation combines all elements from both the sets A and B. Print A union B. What will happen? Combine the two sets into the one. B sets union or B inserted the element, all the element to the A set. Intersection return the common elements A and B. A intersection B. Let's see the output. Yes, the common element in the both the set 3 and 4. Difference operation returns the element in the present in the first set but not in the second. Difference, that means of compare the two sets and that element is first set only present, not in the second set. That is a act as a difference. Let's see the output. The existing set value on A and B. Yes, 1 and 2. There is a set difference from the B set. Symmetric difference returns the element present in either the set but not in the both. Returns the element present either set but not both. Print A and B. Print asymmetric difference of B. The condition is return the element present in either but set but not both. Let's see the output. One, two, five, six. Set function methods. Add the one element. A equal to 1, 2, 3. Add A dot add 4. Print A. Let's see the output. My assumption output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Output 1, 2, 3, 4. Updated. Add the multiple element. A equal to 1, comma 2. A dot update 3, 4, 5. Print A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove one element. A equal to 1, 2, 3. A dot remove of 2. Print A. So let's see the output. My assumption output 1, comma 3. discard. Remove the element if present A1, 2, 3. A dot discard of 3. So print A 1, comma 2. My assumption output. Let's see the output. 1, 2, 3. Pop, remove a random element. A equal to 10, 20, 30. A dot pop, print A. Let's see the output. 20, 30. Clear. Remove the all elements. A equal to 1, 2, 3. A dot clear. Print of A. So clear the set. My assumption output. Let's see the output. So empty set will get set. Open curly brace, close curly brace. Copy. Create a duplicate set. A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to A dot copy. Print B. Let's see the output. 1, 2, 3. Membership operator, in operator. A equal to 1, 2, 3. Print of 2 in A. So maybe true. Yes, exactly. The output is true. Not in operator. Print 5 is not in A. Output true. Complete example program. Set operation example A equal to 1 2 3 4, B equal to 3 4 5 6. Print set A, print set B. The element going to print A and B. Print union A union B, intersection A intersection B, difference A difference B. Print symmetric difference A symmetric difference B. A add 7. After adding the A, just print the A set. A dot remove 2. Print after removing the A, the 2 value removed from the set. Let's see the output. Set A 1 2 3 4, set B 3 4 5 6, union 1 2 3 4 5 6, intersection 3 comma 4, difference 1 comma 2, symmetric difference 1 2 5 6. After add 1 2 3 4 7. After remove 1 3 4 7. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Click on the bell symbol for further video updates.